Who can take admissions under OBE? The OBE program is being conducted basically for two target groups, 6 to 14 years of age and 14 and above years of age. What is the duration of studies under OBE? The duration of each level A, B, C is for 1 year. What is the eligibility criteria for certification under OBE program? For obtaining pass certificate at level A, passing in one language subject and 3 other subjects is necessary. Similarly, passing in one language subject and 4 other subjects is necessary for OBE B and C level of studies. Which institution does issues the certificate under OBE program? A joint certificate is issued by the NIOS and the concerned accredited agency. The secondary or senior secondary school certificates obtained from NIOS have the same recognition as of other boards. Yes, it does. The secondary and senior secondary certificates obtained from NIOS have the same recognition as certificates issued by other boards. NIOS is vested with authorities to conduct public examination at secondary and senior secondary level by the Government of India resolution dated 14 September 1990. Further, all the boards, either national or state including NIOS, are following the National Curriculum Framework 2005. Has the Association of Indian Universities granted equivalency to NIOS certificates? Yes, it has. The Association of Indian University, by its letter number EV11 354/91 dated 25th July 1991, has granted equivalency of courses of NIOS with those of other examination of recognized boards for purpose of admission to higher studies in Indian universities. Whether a candidate passing secondary examination from NIOS can take admission in class 11 of any other board? Yes, of course. All the boards, whether national or state, including NIOS, following the National Curriculum Framework 2005 brought out by NCRTE, hence the NIOS student who have passed the secondary examination from it are eligible to seek admission in class 11 of any other board. What is the eligibility criteria for admissions to secondary course? A person who has passed class 8 and has the valid proof of attaining 14 years of age can apply for registration to secondary course. A self-certificate, I have studied enough to be able to pursue secondary course, is also eligible for the admission of secondary course. A person who has studied at secondary level can also seek admission in NIOS either to complete his course or to improve his performance. Related to admission is in our part 2 video. Do subscribe and click the bell icon.